Be for real. Eat. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Please don't.
Oh.
My little pen. Kiss, kiss. What's up, y'all? So today, I'm gonna be letting Nicia open up one of her presents early.
And I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Damn, you ready? She closed her eyes, y'all. She ready? You ready though?
Yeah.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whether you can open it up today or not. You beat me. Best 2 out of 3, and you can open it.
What's the whole point of telling me to come upstairs?
Come on, she's so fun. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 All right.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. She beat me, y'all. All right. Close your eyes, baby. I'm gonna be right back. Stop cheating. Close your eyes.
Let's go.
Babe.
I'm not looking, babe. I see you falling. Huh?
1,
2, 3. 3. Well, like 1, 2, 3, ready? What?
Your eyes closed?
No,
Babe, close your eyes.
They closed.
Cover them.
They closed, but I can't see nothing.
You supposed to cover them, babe. Be for real. Eat.
I can't see nothing. It's so dark.
On 3, you can open your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
You're weird.
Which one second first?
That one.
Mm-hmm.
What you think? You want to open the big one first? Okay, open the big one.
I ain't be doing all that address on them.
Ooh, please don't show our address.
I hope it don't show.
It shouldn't. Scribble it out.
Oh, it don't, kind of. Oh, yes, it don't. A little bit.
Scribble it out.
Dang, you gave me like for some. Shit.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
Like, I ain't that strong, mother.
Please don't.
Oh.
Okay.
Ew.
Just broke my little pen. Know how to put it in.
Oh, babe, I didn't knock one of them out. Baby, I knocked one of them out. It hurt. It hurt. Baby, so big.
It's so big.
Hey,
Big body bands.
look at my arm.
Remember, she used to be dusty.
I spin it
She
over.
used to be dusty. No, baby.
Who used to be dusty? Oh, is this way?
No, come on.
Girl, I don't know if
She done
that
broke my poor pen, y'all.
wasn't even a good pen anyway.
It was.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
Be careful. It's just paper inside, y'all.
Real niggas just plastic wrap around it. Baby, I really hurt my chin, y'all.
Sorry.
I knew it was
She
dead.
really broke my pen. You gonna hurt your hands, baby. Hey,
Shit,
Becky, you
that's
gotta
already
shake it
off
like this.
anyways.
You gotta shake it like this.
you're not.
I'm gonna take it.
And you're not. Woo.
Big body band.
I think I'm falling in love. I hope it got on.
Let's see.
No, it didn't got on.
You gotta hold it.
Oh. Oh my god. It's so big.
That is big. Put it to your face. Ooh. And she got a big head too, y'all.
Hello.
Dingy.
Wait. I can just write in English. United States. So,
You're not in the United States.
huh?
We're not in the United States.
Oh, I've kind of put Afghanistan.
Oh, we ain't in Afghanistan either, baby.
Oh, yeah.
We ain't United Kingdom.
No, we're not. You family. What? Which one the Wi-Fi?
That's a good question.
Is it the 5G?
Can't remember. Oh, that one, I guess. It's that 1D.
I'm gonna share it. Maybe you share it.
My phone is over there. Just type the password in, baby. Put your face. Type the password in, put your face. That new update.
You.
Don't tell them watch my password.
They can get our Wi-Fi password.
I'll be slow when I need to do stuff.
Y'all just don't still out Wi-Fi password. I'm gonna tell y'all it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna tell the name.
You're not gonna tell them. Because when your stuff start lagging, you can be mad. I'm gonna be mad, but still.
It may take a few minutes after the year I had.
I don't think you gotta set up no ID right now. Dang, so what percentage is on 63? That thing is huge.
You said it's huge?
Yeah.
What's it say?
Okay, you can set that up later.
Oh, let me do my Face ID. Y'all don't watch me do my Face ID. Thank you.
Oh, you do got Face ID. You ain't got no fingerprint.
Oh, dude. Oh, I ain't even started. Say get started. Let them see me.
Shouldn't even listen to the commands.
Damn, how many I gotta do?
A lot. They need every angle.
Which one I'm going?
Baby, move your head around. That green thing needs to keep loading. Keep going. She acting like she ain't never seen her Face ID. That thing is scanning your whole entire face.
It is?
That was scary, yeah.
It was.
It wasn't scary, I was just playing.
It's from the future.
Oh, God.
Don't get my password.
What's your password?
No, you see my iPad while I'm asleep.
Then I'm gonna just put your face in it and it's gonna work. I need my phone. My phone was all the way over there, y'all.
I'm sorry, I'm thank you. Thank you, babe.
But Apple device.
Ooh, I done broke
you
the
broke
nail.
it?
Yes, I did. It's
Ooh.
okay.
But that's so ghetto.
Well, it worked.
That was so ghetto.
It's coming off anyway. Thank you.
We don't condone activities.
Huh? You want what?
I said we don't condone in them activities.
What activities?
Popping your nail off and using it as an opener to open your box.
Girl, you know where we from.
Where you from?
305.
They do that in the 305?
They do that in 305.
Ooh. Y'all do that in the 305?
We do that in 305.
What the heck, bro?
Oh my God, babe, I really want to set it up. Like,
Set it up.
can we set it up?
Back. Okay.
Baby, how this one go?
Let me see. What you mean how it go?
Because you know how yours is?
Yeah, mine is the first gen. That's the come on, girl. That's the second gen. So
but you know how
yours don't cap off like that one. Yours is just the actual like.
So it don't go dead.
Oh, but no, it charges. It's like an automatic. It sticks to your iPad. That's when it charges. Maybe it's the other side. Put it on the top. Oh, there you go. Cause I was about to say.
Oh, that is fire.
Yeah, that's fire. Mine don't do that.
That is fire. Let me see.
You have to connect it first, baby.
That's embarrassing. Baby, can you let me do it?
I want this pencil.
Baby, can you let me do it?
Let me see.
Okay, come on.
I thought y'all could bypass this, y'all.
Oh, I'm a little too rough. It's telling me how to install it.
It's saying don't transfer apps and data, right? So,
Oh,
that ain't straight screen.
I need my pen.
Yeah, she doing it now. Create this Apple ID so we can get past this screen.
How am I create one? Y'all, this gonna take forever.
You should have create one from your phone and then come log in over here.
Let's look at the camera quality. Alright, let's see. Let's read this paper. See. The camera quality good. It's real clear. Let me see.
Ooh. I ain't never seen no iPad with no quality like this, y'all.
Alright, let's take a picture. Dad is on the block. Alright. Continue.
Not you got a portrait on the front.
Alright, I'm done. Alright. Okay. This thing is big. Like,
I think it's huge. Like,
look at that thing up here to my hand.
bro.
I like it big.
Girl.
Alright.
Anyways, y'all.
Alright, you guys. I got my new iPad, my Apple Pencil, my case. Thank you, baby. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Why are you doing it right there?
Because you're making me kiss your cheek and kiss my cheek too.
Alright, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. What else?
Get us to 5K, y'all. We on the road to 5K, and we doing a giveaway to 3 supporters. So make sure y'all spamming them comments section below. Turn on the post notifications so you know every time we post a video, y'all. But she all up in this iPad, so we gonna catch y'all on the next one, y'all. All right.
Peace.